Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Connect, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Gang of Teenagers Fighting in an Alley. Man, okay. You know, kids be going to school and everything and getting into them fights. Let's see what's going on, man.
On April 16th, 2024, in Ohio, police were dispatched to a call involving multiple women in a fight. This is after the respondent breaks it up.
Get in the car.
You are one of them. You are one of them.
Get out of the car.
I didn't fight nobody. That wasn't me fighting. I didn't hit nobody. I was just right here.
She got jumped. We trying to break it up. She got jumped. She got jumped. Listen, she got jumped. We trying to break it up. It's too much going on.
Get out.
Too much going on.
Get out. You.
First of all, she ran up on me first. What the? She punched me first. Your best bet is to get your phone away. Huh? You gonna go to your phone?
Yeah.
Can you ask me where my phone at?
Just stay put real quick.
Okay, I will.
What's all this about?
These girls trying to fight my little cousin. The girl you just put in the truck is raped, and we've been trying to break it up. She don't got nothing to do with it. She don't. It's just her and that one girl. And the girl. You know the girl in the gray shirt? The brown shirt? That's her in the gray.
Yeah, it was her. She swung on my sister. She was punching her in the face.
Yeah, do you see what you just seen? That's what happened. Yeah. We was about to leave. See my car right here? Yeah. I was trying to leave, but I seen them fighting and jumped out the car and fighting. I'm trying to break it up.
Can I tell? She got jumped, and they tried to jump her. No, and I was in the car. The one of the girls ran up and slapped me in the face. I don't know.
You hear me, sir? The girl in the brown. Do you get the girl in the brown?
Please get her in the brown.
Why these girls pulling off? These girls pulling off.
Well, all you gotta deal with the two people at pepper spray.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Can I sit down for a minute?
You have to sit there.
I'm trying to break everything up, and I don't know what's going on right now.
Just a big fight.
It's just some young girls fighting, and I'm trying to break everything up.
It's a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day, and people want to fight. Why everybody?
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
They weren't getting off each other, so I just pepper sprayed them, and
Oh, okay.
then they kept coming
She's
up
only
on me.
19.
Gotcha.
I can take her home. She going with me.
No, she's going to jail.
She's only 19.
Yeah.
Other girl.
19 as an adult, she's going to jail.
Both of them.
Everyone's going to jail. I get a lawful order, break it up. I have pepper spray. You go to jail.
Okay, because I didn't want. I just.
Have you called medics?
Sir, what's your name?
Sirs and Bean.
I didn't want to. When I was near you, I didn't want you to think I was touching her or nothing. I was trying to break the girl up, the fight up.
The girl in the 19-year-old is fighting all the minors.
Yeah.
What the heck? She pulled off.
The girl. She just knew the girl that just came up there with the hat on. She just pulled off. That was sitting on my little cousin.
The girl in the braids, which is my sister. She's 17. The girl 19. She's still a minor. Like, yeah, she punched her in the car. Like,
yeah, she jumped in my car and punched me. I'm trying to pull off literally. Look, I'm trying to pull off right here.
Why are we all back in this alley fighting?
Mind you, I was dropping somebody off over here, and then out of nowhere, all them girls were just coming and fighting. Right here.
20 people just show up randomly in an alley, start fighting.
Listen, sir. All them girls came in 3 cars deep, coming towards all of us, and that other girl, the other car that just pulled up in the.
They just happen to know you guys showed up
They
here?
don't know me, but they just know my little cousin in the car. And my cousin didn't do nothing. They just did.
There's been an argument for a minute now. So she's dropping them off. She got the baby in the car. She was getting from the daycare and this and that. They were texting and harassing them for hours.
Oh,
we
Okay.
got off work.
What's all that stuff? You were talking with all that stuff. Remind you, it was a long time ago. The boy in the brown girl, I can take her home.
No, we're taking her to jail. So. Well, I wasn't here then, so. Of course.
What's this all about?
Because they I can't breathe, bro.
It's gonna burn a little bit, that's all it's gonna do.
My whole face
I
burns.
told you from pepper sprayed you and you came back. No?
Hey, can you get my sister though, please? Please.
So right now you're under arrest.
You can't get my sister though. I can't
No,
just
you're
talk.
under arrest. Would you like a medic come clean your face off?
Oh no.
Well, you're gonna have to be deconned before you go to jail. How old are you? How old are you?
Oh boy, here come the waterworks. Too late to cry now. Thought it was a game, huh?
So what's your first name?
Jada. Yes.
Is this more than just like a beef or something, or just?
Nah, it's just strictly beef. We was fighting out, getting it over with. That's it.
Are you guys the two main beefing, or is just the whole groups?
It's really like I don't even know how to explain it, because it was between me and one person, and then like more people to start the talk.
You understand if you was just look at her here and took off running with everyone else?
Huh?
You know, if you was just look at her here and took off running, I will admit
I would have been gone. Yeah, I understand that.
Like 20 girls fighting. Most of them got the hint. My cruiser pulled up and took off running.
Yeah.
Except for about 5 of them. I was able to plow through most of them, except these 2 girls who had interlocked each other by their hair and pulling, kicking, and punching. Try to pull them apart. Wasn't happening because she had the hair wrapped around her hand. So I thought this was both of them. It was okay. She's in back of my cruiser. He has one back his cruiser. They're both going to go for disorderly, start to resisting.
How old are they?
19, I think that one's 18. I'll just double check.
So, disorderly, resisting.
Obstruction. No one wants to stick around.
So we have no witnesses.
Here's the car 5, but they're just causing trouble and they want to get gone. And they were like the group that kept running up on me, but
Which side?
she's on the other side.
She's on this
Yeah,
side.
and she's got pepper pulled, so.
I'll go on this.
Plumbers.
So she says she is 17
Yeah.
and she's 19. Okay. She says she heard you say to stop, that's why she stopped. And she admits that she let go, she didn't, so it probably looked like they were both still engaged.
Yeah, she had like her hair, longer hair wrapped up, but there was nose in between them, so.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, here.
Nope. You can take wider steps.
I'm sorry.
Oh, you're good. Yeah, I've been pepper sprayed about 12 times in my career. It's not fun.
It's not.
All right, you're gonna turn right. We've got 4 steps. Okay.
Starting now.
Right. Step up. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Do you think pepper spray is a proper way to go about handling or breaking up a fight? If not, what do you think is a better way to go about handling it? Share your thoughts below.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.